Hello Bayaw! After we hosted a Solidworks training workshop at the University of Southeastern Philippines or USEP Tagum, ay nakatanggap tayo ng imbitasyon para maging resource person ulit to another Solidworks training. The training workshop was initiated at the Davao del Sur State College or DSSC.
So our next speaker is a faculty of the Institute of Computing Engineering and Technology and a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Agricultural Engineering with a master's degree in Agricultural Engineering at USEP Tagum. So our next speaker for the basic SolidWorks with Simulation seminar is Engineer Drex and also MSc, or other processes.
Siya nga pala, dito rin ako nagtatrabaho as part-time instructor in the Agricultural and Biosystems Engineering Department or ABE Department. At dahil may SolidWorks background and fundamentals na yung mga participants natin, which are my ABE students as well, ay dumiretso na kami sa Solidworks Weldments and Simulation. Para mas maging effective yung discussion namin, ay nagbigay tayo ng mga exercise sa kanila by group, and the student officers also prepared small tokens to those group na may pinakamagandang output. I am very grateful and fulfilled to share my SolidWorks expertise to younger generations. Sabi nga nila, if you have knowledge, let others light their candles at it. Kunya, diri na lang sa nakutob. This is Bayaw Drex. Hanggang sa muli.